Hi, I'm Dr. John Flucke, Chief Dental Editor and Technology Editor here at Dental Products Report magazine. And today I want to do a little bit of an unboxing video and a little bit of a demonstration to show you some of the really incredible things that you get when you order the Isolation Power Pack 360 from Zirc Dental Products. Let's take a look. So this is what you get. Is the Isolation 360 Power Pack from Zirc, and it comes in this box. So when you open it and you look at it, one of the things that I thought was kind of just fun from a marketing standpoint is the fact that the lid actually says 7 awesome isolation devices, 1 happy you. And so you've got the box here. It does come, when you open it up, you'll get immediately this whole card here that explains to you all about what's in the kit, as well as a flip side that shows you all the individual pieces and what they do. So what you get out of this is the Instidam, the airway armor, the LinguaFix, the SE cushion, the pink pedal, and then 2 different sizes of Zirc's Mr. Thirsty vacuum products. So let me just kind of show you individually what these are like and what they do. So first of all, the pink pedal, this is a really interesting concept, is just from the idea of using retraction and vacuum. And a lot of these products are designed for hygiene. So this holds your saliva ejector, and it not only holds a saliva ejector for you, but it also allows you to retract the cheek with it as well. So you can use this as a retraction device and still get hands-free, while you're working or while your hygienist is working, because this helps retract the cheek for you. One of the other products that's really nice for hygiene is the LinguaFix. Now this LinguaFix product, it actually goes in and it retracts the cheek, it retracts the tongue, as you can see here, and it does connect, once again, to the slow-speed suction. And then this little bit slides up and holds it against the patient's chin, so you get lingual retraction and you do get your slow speed suction here all at the same time. So in patients that you're trying to scale on, you're trying to keep the tongue back or whatever, this is a nice little device for that. One of the Zirc products that I really love is their Instidam product. And the Instidam in here comes in 2 different sizes. So you have the regular Instidam, and then you have this larger one called the Relaxed Fit. Now what's really great about these from a general dentistry standpoint is these are rubber dams, and they're pre-punched. And the problem with the whole idea of using the rubber dam in dentistry, it's really not so much the rubber dam and using it, it's the frame, and the frame causes us all kinds of problems. Well, Zirc has beat that because these are latex free, but the frame is actually already on. So you just simply put the clamp on the patient's tooth, stretch this around, let go, and it's already set up to clamp and retract. The Relaxed Fit version is for posteriors. And so once again, you put the clamp on the tooth, you slide this back, you open it up, wrap it around the clamp, and it goes right in place. And this is awesome for endo. These are part of my endo setup on every one of my kits. And we use these all the time. And we also use them for operative dentistry. And what you'll find, I think, is that you're no longer fighting the dam frame once you have a product like this in your hands. So the Instidam is something that we reach for on a regular basis. And it's really nice that since it comes in 2 sizes, they provide with each size in this kit. One of the other things that is a better mousetrap kind of product that Zirc makes and comes in this is the airway armor. And the airway armor is a little device, it's a little rubbery device, and it's used as a throat pack. So you open it up and you can tie floss to it, and this goes back into the airway and it holds the tongue back, but it also blocks the airway, and it has holes in it so the patient can actually ventilate through this. But on those points in time where you're afraid of maybe dropping something, if you're doing extractions, or you're doing an implant placement and you're using small parts and you're concerned about aspiration, there are 3 sizes of the airway armor, and you simply put those back and it works great as a throat pack as opposed to using gauze or something else that the patients often choke on or aren't really made and conform to the job that you really want them to do. These go right to place and they come in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. So the airway armor is something that's really handy to have. The other thing that's nice from a hygiene standpoint are these little cushions. This is called the SE cushion. And what this does is it's got a hole in it, and it simply slides over the saliva ejector. And I'm going to bring the picture back here so that you can see here. And you can see how the SE cushion simply keeps that saliva ejector cushioned so that when the saliva ejector is in the patient's mouth, it's not either digging into the cheek or digging into the floor of their mouth. It's a really handy little thing to have. And it's just a small piece of foam rubber that goes around that. And last but not least in this kit is the Mr. Thirsty product. And there's 2 different sizes of this in here for Zirc. This is one of these things that once you start using it, you'll wonder to yourself, how did I ever get along without it? 2 sizes, like I said, the small and a large. And this product, they're individually wrapped. This attaches to your high-speed suction. It has a bite block attached to it so the patient can bite on it. And then you wrap this around and it goes back in the retromolar area. The patient has something to bite on. The vacuum connects to it and it retracts the tongue and the cheek all at the same time. So this is incredible for hygiene. It's also incredible for dentistry in general. We can use this when you're doing crown and bridge. You can use it when you're doing operative dentistry. Patients, amazingly enough, love not having a lot of things in their mouth. And when you put this in and it does the job of holding them open but allowing them to close on something, vacuums and retracts without having 4 hands in their mouth. This is one of these things where once you start using it, you'll say to yourself, how in the world did I ever manage to practice dentistry without having this at my disposal? So once again, I want to give you one last quick look here at what you get. You get 2 versions of the Instidam, the airway armor, the Lingua Fix, the SE cushion, the pink pedal, and the Mr. Thirsty, all part of this Isolation 360 Power Pack from Zirc Dental. This is available at dental dealers, and I believe you can also get it through their website. I've been using these products now for the demo for probably about 60 days now, and I highly recommend them. I think if you put these into use in your practice, you and your hygienist will find that you're a lot more productive and your patients are a lot more happy. I'm Dr. John Flucke. Thank you all so much for watching.